So the first thing that you want to do is get an Azure account. I have added the link to create a free account with Azure. It gives you 200 credits down below. Let's get started. So there's a couple of different ways to create an Azure Web App. It's all about flows. Um, and the first thing that we can do is click on App Services. So App Services right now, you can see I have nothing. Go ahead and click the Add button. Once it's loaded, it'll look like this or something similar. There's a couple of options here. You can pick a regular web app, a web app with a database connected to it, and if you scroll all the way down here, you can see .NET Go. I'm just going to go ahead and create a regular web app for now. Definitely read this stuff above here. It gives you some great information. I think in my previous video I hit upon a lot of it, but definitely take a look at that. So let's hit. Once the wizard has opened up, you're going to see something like this. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is add an app name. This is going to be part of your domain name, so make it something meaningful to you and make it something good. I'm not going to do that because this is just for a test. So I'm going to say YouTube test, and you can see that there's a little green check next to it, meaning that that's good to go. My subscription, something that everyone should have already by now, is pay as you go. It's fine. It's pretty cheap. Um, Everything in Azure Portal needs to be inside a resource group, and so I'm going to just create a resource group and call it YouTube Test RG. Just a naming convention that I like. You can name yours whatever you want. And here, the wizard actually kind of creates a new service plan for you. I don't like the name that it usually gives, so I just go ahead and create my own. And make sure that it's in whatever region that you feel you want your web app to live in. I live in the South Central US, so I pick South Central. As for pricing tier, this is really important because this is real money. So what you'll want to do is wait for the prices to load. Once they load, you can see the cost, and this is like roughly estimated monthly cost. Go ahead and hit the View All button, and once you do that, you'll see there's a free option. So there's a free and a shared and a couple of other cheaper options. For this, the point of this video, I'm definitely going to go with free. In later videos, I'm going to show you options that are in the standard service plan. They have a lot better options, but you know, don't need it for now. Um, App Insights, this is a fantastic resource. Definitely I suggest if you're ever going to go and really do development or go to production with your web app, then turn it on. I'm not going to do that because I just don't need to right now. Hit pin to dashboard just so it's on your dashboard and you'll see it whenever you log in. It's just like in your face. And then go ahead and hit create. Once your web app is created, it will pop up automatically. This is the maintenance, the performance, the monitoring, the basically everything that you need to do and have in Azure for your website. Um, and that's pretty much it. You just created a website. If you click on the URL, boom, that's your website right there. You can deploy, I don't know, an index.html, something simple, make it special, I don't know, or deploy a test app that you're really working on and wanting to get done. I will show you a couple of other things here. The resource group that we created is right here. Your status is running. If you stop it, then you won't be able to hit your web app. Um, but don't make the mistake that stopping it means that you're not being charged for it. You will still be charged for it. So just keep it running, or if you really aren't using it, delete it. Um, it shows the location, so South Central US. Subscription name, which is pay as you go. That's mine. A couple of other things. the app service plan, which we created, and it shows that it's free. And you're actually able to change this later on if you feel the need to. You can change it from free to basic or standard or premium or really anything, depending on what you really need. Um, and then there is FTP information, which I'm going to blur out because it's for my personal website that I just created. But you'll be able to see it, and I will walk you through how to FTP to the website shortly in another video. Over here, I'm not going to go over in detail, but I will say that there's a ton of great information, and I will go through this stuff in more detail in another video. But trying to make this video concise, I've got to definitely cut back on time. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video now. And next time I'll show you how to FTP to your website so you can actually put something on it and make it look better. All right, everyone. Thank you. Bye.